The letter from James, a servant of God and of the Lord Jesus Christ. Greetings to all God's people scattered over the whole world. Faith and wisdom, my friends, consider yourselves fortunate when all kinds of trials come your way. For you know that when your faith succeeds in facing such trial, the result is the ability to endure. Make sure that your endurance carries you all the way without failing, so that you may be perfect and complete, lacking nothing. But if any of you lack wisdom, you should pray to God, who will give it to you, because God gives generously and graciously to all. But when you pray, you must believe and not doubt at all. Whoever doubts is like a wave in the sea that is driven and blown about by the wind. If you are like that, unable to make up your mind and undecided in all you do, you must not think that you will receive anything from the Lord.